Okay, so you guys, there's a little trick. If you go to a U-Pick Blackberry place, if you're going in behind people, make sure you look down. Shh, be quiet, you're messing up my video. If you look down low, a lot of times you're gonna find stuff that people missed. Or if you look inside the bushes, a lot of times you'll find some people miss, because a lot of people, they look and they just breeze through instead of actually trying to find all the best ones. So a little trick for you guys, because that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to inform and educate. Hey, what's up everybody? John here, Delighted Acres Farm. Today is the 4th of July, so happy Independence Day. It's not going to be the 4th when you watch this, but I am recording this on the 4th of July, so we're going to celebrate our nation's independence once again, and it's going to be not quite as bad heat wise. We've had temperatures up to 106, 107 this last week. Today it's going to be pretty nice. It's going to be about 96, I think, maybe about 96. But got Bear out here, taking him out for a walk because we are about to leave the house. Today is the 5th anniversary of a little farm that's about a half hour from here. We've never been, but it's I think a red bird farm. And so they have their 5th anniversary today as we celebrate Independence Day. So we want to go check them out. They do a pick your own kind of thing up there. I think right now they have blackberries, sunflowers, I don't know, a couple other things. I don't know what we're going to pick, if we're going to pick anything, but they have a little shop. They have booths and stuff, I think, set up. I don't know. We're going to go see. We're going to check it out. So I have Bear out here walking him one last time before we leave. He's got a sandburr in his paw. But that's just one of the things about living out here. Sandburrs. So he's chasing grasshoppers. I'm going to take you guys back here and I want to show you guys some stuff. So that's crazy, you guys. Those are our pet grasshoppers. They're not really our pets, but well, this is 24. We've been here since 21. So the summer of 22, 23, and now 24. That's what it's looked like. That's one reason we decided not to put a garden in this year. One of many reasons, but we knew we weren't going to have time to really devote to the garden. But that's another reason, because these grasshoppers, they have decimated all the healthy living plant life. And if we would have had a garden, we would have been working on it all the time, trying to protect it from the grasshoppers. And we just ain't got that time this year. So we're gonna have to figure out how to effectively garden here where we are in central Oklahoma, because of the heat, because of the grasshoppers and blister beetles and stuff like that. There's just a lot of things against us, but a lot of people are very productive and successful. So it's just going to be a process of us figuring it out and making sure we have all of our other life stuff taken care of, so that we have time to devote to gardening. So anyway, you guys, we are about to head out and go to Redbird Farm and check them out and see what their place is like and just enjoy our day. So Bear's excited. He's gonna get to stay in his crate. He's not excited about that, but he doesn't know yet. So we're going to run up there. We're going to check it out. Then we're going to come home and we're going to rest and relax the rest of the day probably. We're not going to any parades, or we're probably not even going to go watch any fireworks tonight, because we can see the fireworks of at least 2 different towns from our front porch. And I got to work tomorrow, so Kelly's off. Kelly gets a 4-day weekend, but I got to work tomorrow, Friday. And yeah, how do you think I feel about that? So anyway, you guys, we're gonna run up there, we're gonna check it out, we're gonna come home, enjoy the rest of the day, and cook some burgers, brats, hot dogs, stuff like that. Kelly cut up a bunch of vegetables and some fruit and stuff last night, so it's all ready to go. We just have to prepare it all. So you guys, I'm gonna film a little bit up here at the Redbird farm, show you guys what it's like. We may pick stuff, I don't know. Like I said, never been there, but we're gonna go check it out. Okay, so we have made it to Redbird Farm, and it's a pretty nice little place. So we've been inside the barn. We got a couple things. Kelly got some preserves, the wild blackberry preserves, and I got a cap. And what else you get?
Laundry detergent.
Laundry.
Like clean laundry detergent.
Yeah, so no chemical, no detergent kind of stuff. And so we're gonna give that a shot because it's safer and healthier for all involved, and we're gonna see. So behind us, right, all of this here, these are blackberries, and I don't know if we're gonna actually pick, but they have pick your own blackberries. They have a play place over here. Back over there, you can't see it I don't think, but there is an in-ground tarpaulin kids are jumping on. They have animals that you can pet and feed.
You pick flowers.
You pick flowers, cut your own and put them in a jar. They've got, and so those are like marigold type, but they also have lavender. But this is also a U-cut Christmas tree farm. So we don't do fresh trees, but a lot of people like to do that, and so you can come here in November, December, and cut your own Christmas tree. So this is a pretty neat place. Redbird Farm.
There's a huge one. There's a huge one. They're all huge.
I think we're going to try to pick some berries.
Maybe he already went to go play with the berries.
Okay, so you guys, there's a little trick. If you go to a U-Pick blackberry place, if you're going in behind people, make sure you look down. Shh, be quiet, you're messing up my video. If you look down low, a lot of times you're gonna find stuff that people missed. Or if you look inside the bushes, a lot of times you'll find some people miss, because a lot of people, they look and they just breeze through instead of actually trying to find all the best ones. So a little trick for you guys, because that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to inform and educate. All right, so I got hot. I had to come sit in the pickup for a little bit, but Kelly kept picking some berries, and then she did some other stuff too. So let's take a look and see how we did on the berries and what other stuff that we came up with. So those You tell me.
In a basket. I don't know how many pounds it was. It's probably at least a pound of berries. So, once you got past the first few rows, I think the first few rows are like their older plants. Once you got past that, like there was a lot more berries. But so, yeah, we got a nice little bit there for going on our cake later today. And then they have like you cut flowers, and they have a zinnia patch and lavender, and so I cut some zinnias.
Ooh.
For a pretty little summer bouquet. Zinnias are so pretty.
Nice.
So colorful. And then I knew that we would be thirsty, so I got us some
bottles of water.
Well, yes, I got us water because you need hydration. But they also have Dr. Pepper and Coke with the pure cane sugar. So I got us kind of the old-fashioned style. So I got us some of that. So
nice.
this is a lot of fun. This is a fun little place. And they have stuff for the kids and a little gift shop. And today, aside from celebrating the 4th of July, they're celebrating their 5th anniversary as a farm, as Redbird Farm, I guess. And so they were also doing, they had homemade ice cream that you could buy, and then you get a free piece of birthday cake with it. We did not do that because we weren't really feeling like eating birthday cake and ice cream, but it was cute. It was really cute. It's a nice place.
So would you suggest Redbird Farm to people if they are in the area?
Yeah, absolutely.
Enid, Oklahoma, north of Enid. So they are north of Enid, Oklahoma, and they, like we said, they are a U-pick. Right now it's blackberries and the flowers and stuff, but when it's closer to Christmas, they are also a Christmas tree farm. And so it was our first time to come here, and we were happy. It was a good time. And if you get here, I'm sure if we would have been here at 8 o'clock this morning when they opened, there would have been a ton of the blackberries. But I can see from here, I don't know, they probably have 20, 25 rows maybe of blackberries. There's about 7 rows that I can see right now that have all sold out signs on those rows, and so they have all been picked over. But like I was trying to say earlier, whenever you're picking berries, look for all of them, because there's people that were just leaving. I found a berry big as my thumb, and it was easy to see, and people just went right past it. So pay attention whenever you're picking fruit. Anyway, so we're about to head home, and we are going to get settled. We're going to enjoy the rest of our day. We're going to cook some food and just enjoy being off today. It's not super hot. It was a little muggy in the rows because the wind wasn't blowing good because we're blocked off, but there's a nice breeze, 4th of July, sun shining, beautiful blue sky, and it's probably mid 90s. Well, my pickup is showing 82 just sitting here. So y'all, for a 4th of July, it's pretty fantastic right now. So I'm not going to complain, seriously. So anyway, we had a good time. We're going to head home. All right, well, y'all, we got home from our little trip today, and we had lunch, and then we laid down, took a nap. And so we napped for an hour and a half, and it was real nice. So didn't do anything else. And after the nap, we did have a little dessert, and so you will have seen that video of what we had already. So Kelly made a cake, put some icing on it, and we had our blackberries that we picked this morning, and Kelly had gotten some blueberries and some strawberries from the store a couple days ago, and oh y'all, it was so good. So that was our treat for the 4th of July. And anyway, you guys, I just want to finish this video out and say thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had a great Independence Day. If you're not in the United States, then I hope you had a great 4th of July, because that's just a day for you guys. And whatever. I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, subscribe, ring the notification bell, do all the stuff. And you guys, we'll see you on the next video. Y'all have a great rest of your day, whatever day it is that you are watching this. And leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite way to eat fruit?